Hello guys, what I'm going to show today is how you can remove grid lines inside of an Excel chart. This is going to be very simple. As I showed you in previous tutorials, one quick way to make a graph is to just select, the columns that we want to graph, you know, and now you just have to go to Insert, and you just have to click on Recommended Charts, and now you can choose from any of these graphs, or you can also go to All Charts in here, okay, and you have, many options. So let's select, for example, I don't know, this kind of cluster bar in here, okay? Let's select this one here. Let's click on OK. And now, as you can see here, we have this kind of annoying grid lines in here, which in this case are just horizontal, okay? And we want to remove them, okay? So we're going to click on this plus button, and now you want to click on these grid lines to unselect it, okay? As you can see here, you can also select what kind of grid lines you want, okay? But in this case, we're just gonna unselect them. And now this is fixed. Thank you so much.